All my dear class 1 student, now you have a new video. In this video, now you are going to learn English Marigold Unit 4 first lesson. Unit 4 first lesson, now you have a poem. The name of the poem, Once I Saw a Little Bird. So first, I will read out the poem, then after that I will explain it in our mother tongue Manipuri. So now let's read the poem. Sing and enjoy this poem. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. So again, I will read out the poem. So listen carefully, all my dear class 1 student. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Now I will explain the poem in Manipuri, so listen carefully, students. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯩꯔꯦꯡꯒꯤ first stanza line ꯃꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ poemꯁꯤꯗ childꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯔꯗ ꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ childꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤ Once I saw a little bird ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯃꯥ ꯎꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ Come hop, hop, hop ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯡ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯈꯒ ꯐꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯣꯡꯉꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤ I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯣꯡꯉ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯎꯕꯗꯒꯤ childꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯤ Will you stop, stop? ꯅꯪ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯣ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯅ childꯁꯤꯅ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯗ little birdꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯝꯃꯤ Then second stanza I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Second stanza I was going to the window ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ childꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯔꯗ ꯌꯦꯛꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯋꯤꯟꯗꯣꯁꯤꯗ ꯋꯤꯟꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯥꯎ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯥꯎ ꯇꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯜꯂꯒ little birdꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤ to say how do you do ꯅꯪ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯗ childꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯪꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯋꯤꯟꯗꯣꯗ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯁꯜꯂꯝꯃꯦꯕ. But he shook his little tail and away he flew. ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯋꯥꯁꯤ ꯍꯪꯒꯦꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯟꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯃꯃꯩꯗꯣ ꯂꯤꯇꯜ ꯇꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯃꯃꯩꯁꯦ ꯊꯦꯛꯀꯠꯂꯝꯃꯒ ꯐꯦꯠ ꯐꯦꯠ ꯊꯦꯛꯀꯠꯂꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯒ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯏ and away he flew. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ little birdꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ. Say you see in the picture the little bird flew away. Little birdꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ. So in this way the poem ends. ꯁꯩꯔꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯤ. A very simple poem, so try to learn by heart this poem, all my dear boys. Then next let's see new words. New words yengji. Listen carefully. New words. Bird. Bird, as you see in the picture. What to say in our mother tongue Manipuri? Usyek. Bird haibadi usyek haibani. Then hop. Hop haibadi akoigi khong anisina leg anisina pulap oina mafam amadagi amada phal launa songaga satpado adudubu akoina hop hai. Say to jump a little by both foot. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯣꯡꯉ ꯆꯠꯄꯗꯨꯅꯤ hop ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ. Then stop. Stop means in Manipuri ꯂꯦꯞꯄ. Stop ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ. Then tail. Tail ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯩ. Say you see in the picture one small monkey having a long tail. Monkey ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯎꯔꯦ. ꯃꯃꯩ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ. Tail ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯩ. Then window. Window, as you know, say you are living in a house. ꯅꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯅꯤ. Say ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯥꯎ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯥꯎꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯇ window ꯀꯧꯏ. Then next exercise. Let's read. ꯄꯥꯎ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ sentence ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤ. So we have to read out the two sentences. The birds flies out of the window. We must stop cutting trees. Again, I will read out the two lines. The birds flies out of the window. We must stop cutting trees. Then next, let's see question and answer. Reading is fun. Question number 1. What did the child see? Answer. The child saw a little bird. ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯎꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ. The child saw a little bird. Childꯁꯤꯅ little bird ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯎꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ. Then next question. Question number second question. What was the little bird doing? Little bird to kari tauramge haibani. Then answer. The little bird sat upon a window. The little bird sat upon a window. Then next exercise. Let's talk. First question. Do you see any birds around your school or your house? Answer. Yes, I often see birds around my school or my house. The next question. Have you tried talking to them. Answer: yes, I have tried talking to birds. Whenever they come and sit on my window. So these are the answer of these 4 questions. Sisina noigi question marisigi answer ni sana hairisi munna tau. Then let's do next exercise. Let's do. Join the letters from A to Z. Say one peacock is there in the picture. Noigi picture sida peacock wahong ama leire. Hairiba wahong sigi tail da maigi mamai sigi mai phandore iba matu sing sida akoina English alphabet ki letter 26 small letter da mathang ire A dagi haure A B C D E F G haidana mathang leire aduga hairiba tail sida akoina dotted line na A dagi na B dagi na C bau dotted line na ye aga lairami hairiba dotted line na ye ibasi nakhogi pencil na tawraga A dagi na B dagi na C dagi na D mathang pencil na yeksallaga hairiba peacock sigi tail je mai mamai mai feather matu je akoina complete taw haibani A dagi hauraga B dagi C then C to D then from D to E then from E to F. Like this you have to join all the dotted lines from A to Z. A daina Z pause mathang samjanaraga peacockki tail ji fazana mafung phana yeksallu haibani So this exercise try to do yourself noi isana noi gi textbook ta pencil na tawraga pencil na fazana yeksello. Then next exercise page number 44 the young see trace over the dotted lines and letters. Now color the stars. Say sigi picture sida uriba star singji koi dotted line na ye ami hairiba dotted line na ye iba star singji noi pencil na fazana yekchalani dotted line ji mathak sida star ji noi fazana complete tawrani tawraba matungda amu star ji mayai de ye iba letter English alphabet ki letter si sida piriba dotted line ye iba aduga magi arrow sina ta iba maikei si yengaga akoina hairiba English alphabet ki letter singji akoi mapung phana trace tawrani noi pencil na yeksan gadawani mathak sida arrow piriba maikei do yengaga yekani M si akoina kamai igadagi haikanda sigi line sidagi mathak tagi hauraga sumna singthara ani. Then after this mathangna somdagi hauraga sumaina makhabau singtharani. Then mathangda sidagi hauraga somnomda singtharani. Sumaina hairiba English alphabet ki letter se mapung phahalani fahalaba matungda nakhoina kaidawgani hairiba star ji noi color sangani noi color dawaneba. For color whatever you like noina apamba color masu sangba yai. Like this sumai tawdana anisuba star sida ye iba N haiba letter ji sizu hausikki M da tawkhiba adumaina arrow se maikei ji yengaga isalani aduga star jisu mapung phana trace tawbirani yeksanbirani. You have to use pencil to draw pencil na yeksangani. Then next third star in the third star ahum suba star sida akoina uriba English alphabet ki letter si Pni ko hairiba P sisu magi arrow sigi maikaisi yengaga ko sumaini yungna singtharani. Then after this ko mathangna sidagi hauraga sumai toga ikaneba P ibagi moongdoni. Then star zi ko trace toksalo. Then aduga noi apamba color masu sangani ko. Like this, in the fourth star, the letter is Q ko. Mari suba star sida Q haiba letters leire ko haiba Q sisu magi arrow sina piriba maikaisi yengaga ko trace tawro. Trace tawraba matungda star sisu amu trace tawbirani. Then you have to color the star aduga haiba star sisu noi color sangani. Then in the last star ko aroibagi star sida ko akoina lairamiba English alphabet ki letter si T ni ko T si phajana ko trace tawbirani ko pencil na yeksanbirani. Then star jisu mapung phana ko pencil na phajana trace tawsalani. Tawsalaga noi pencil na ko color phajana sangjalani. Aduna hairiba exercise si ko noi sana ko noi yumda ko parents ka loina na ko fazana nagi exercise si tawsalo. Then sigi mathangda ko aroiba exercise singji. Let's see the last exercise of this poem. Once I saw a little bird. Say in the last exercise, say these words aloud and talk about the pixel. Then tick the right color. Hairiba highlighted tawriba ko pink masuna ko akoigi highlight toiba word singje ko hana hauna launa paro paraba matungda ko masaigi sida yeiba picture si yengaga ko mai maigi sana ba word to aduda tick taw haibani ko word si hana pazi ko roof, door, windows, walls, floor, plants, dustbin. Roof haibadi yumthak haibani, door haigana thong haibani, windows haigana thongnau sing haibani, walls haigana yumgi faklang wall to ko, floor haigana yumgi ko akoigi laimai to makha do dubuni. Then plants ko na pisingna pambi ko, dustbin ko akoi amot pa hapsin bam ko. Ato hairiba picture sida yengaga ko mai gi sanaba color do khalaga tick taw haibani. Say first, the roof is pink, blue. Roof si kai masu oi pink oibra, blue oibra. Pink oi ko. Anon the roof is pink hai kanda noi pink mapa sida tick taw salani ko. Pink sida tick ama tawani. Then ko mathangda the walls are yellow, red. Ko walls yum sigi walls yellow oi red oi kanam kai masu oi yellow oi ko. So you have to tick yellow ko adun yellow sigi mathakta noi tick ma ama tawsan birani ko sidai sida. Then ahum subada the windows are green, brown. Aduga yum sigi thongnau se kai oi hai green, brown. Green oibra, brown oibra ko picture sida kai oi brown oire aduna noina kai mapanda tick tawni brown mapa sida tick tawrani ko. Then mathangda the door is blue, gray. Aduga hairiba yum sigi ko thong si ko blue oi gray oi karamba masu oi yum sigi thong si ko akoi kai oi blue masu oi ko adun noi blue sida tick tawrani. Then mathangda the dustbin is pink, green. Aduga yum sigi lairiba ko dustbin amakha khilli hariba dustbin si kai masu oi. The dustbin is pink. Say pink in color. Say the dustbin is pink in color. So you have to tick pink ko. Pink sida tick tawrani. Then the plants are green, orange. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯃꯆꯨ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯣꯔꯦꯟꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦ ꯁꯦ as you see in the picture the plants is green in color. So the plants are green in color, so you have to tick green. Green sida noi kedawani tick tawsalani. Then next, last one, the floor is gray brown. Floor se akhoi yum sigi laimai imungi ka adi then courtyard akhoi gi ka gumba sumang gumba hairiba floor se kai masu oi gray haibadi ut masu haibani aduna ngasai gi picture sida su gray oire aduna the floor is gray, so you have to tick gray sigi gray sida tick tawsalani. So this is the end of unit 4 first lesson. Once I saw a little word. Thank you for watching my video.